Welcome to Aroma at Usha.
For more delicious healthy recipes from the channel Aroma at Usha, click the subscribe button and click the below bell icon.
Today I am going to prepare vegetable kottu roti. Vegetable kottu roti is different from the vegetable kottu parota that we normally use to make. The main variation is the flatbread that we use in the preparation. For this recipe I have taken 6 numbers of uncooked chapati sheets, 2 numbers of potato, 2.5 cups of chopped vegetables. I have taken carrot, beans and cabbage, 1 large size onion chopped or 2 medium size onion chopped, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 7 to 8 cloves of chopped garlic, 2 chopped green chilies, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 2 numbers of 2-inch size cinnamon stick, 3 tablespoons of oil and salt. Pressure cook the potatoes, peel the skin, mash it and keep it aside. Next step what we are going to do is we are going to cook the chapatis. For this preparation we are not going to cook both the sides of the chapatis or rotis. We are going to cook only one side of the chapatis. Now it will be only half cooked. It will get completely cooked in the later stage. If you cook both the sides of the chapati now, what will happen is after preparing the kottu rotis, the rotis will be very hard. See, I have cooked only one side, the next side is uncooked. Now I am taking it out from the tawa. Repeat like this for the 6 rotis. Now I am going to cut the rotis or chapatis into small pieces. I am cutting in this way. You can also cut even more smaller. It's up to your choice. Repeat the procedure for 6 rotis. Add oil in a heated kadai. Now when the oil gets heated up, add 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Add 2-inch size cinnamon stick. Now add the chopped garlic. Add 2 chopped green chilies and fry it for some time. Now add few curry leaves and fry it. When it stops sizzling, add the chopped onion. Now add 2.5 cups of chopped vegetables. I have taken carrot, cabbage and beans. And saute it along with the onion. Now add required amount of salt for the vegetables. Now when the vegetables are half cooked, add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and saute well. Now the vegetables are well cooked. Now add mashed potato and mix it. Now add the chopped chapati bits or rotis. Now cook for 3 minutes. The chapatis, which were only 50% cooked because we cooked only one side, will get completely cooked in this stage. After cooking for 3 minutes, squeeze half of lime. Now mix well. Now it is done. Switch off the flame. Our tasty vegetable kottu roti is ready. You can have it for breakfast or dinner.